Welcome to this VinTel Minute Tech Tip to help understand how to handle bad batteries. I'm Keith McCord, and let's start off by understanding a bit more about how batteries work. What is the leading cause for a battery to go bad? One word: sulfation. What is it? When a battery discharges, lead sulfate temporarily collects on the battery cell plates, and when charged, the process is reversed. If a battery is kept below full charge from short trips or lengthy storage, then the amorphous lead sulfate changes to crystalline lead sulfates, which coat the plates. This sulfation process limits the capacity of the battery. Modern vehicle computer systems are reliant on proper voltage levels above 11.8 volts, and the VinTel DSR will alert to issues that may pertain to a battery. Low voltage levels may cause failed diagnostics, resulting in DTC codes as shown in the DSR. These should disappear with a good battery. Check, charge, or replace a battery anytime the VinTel DSR recommends it. Always test drive and rescan a vehicle when correcting battery issues to ensure accurate diagnostics.